But in this video, I got them all set on auto. I'm gonna use 3 different cameras. I'm gonna label this camera A. And you guys tell me which one you think is a cell phone. This camera, camera A, the next camera I show, camera B, or the last camera I show, camera C. All right, so here we go. You see the image from this one since I've been talking. This is camera A. Let's move to camera B. Okay guys, so now we're on camera B. Everything is set up the exact same way. All the lights are in the same place. That first camera was on a gimbal. You know, the second camera, it's on the gimbal, and the last camera is gonna be on the gimbal. You tell me what you think, and I'll do another video tomorrow giving you guys the results. So again, this is camera B. Okay, now we have camera C. And you know what? I'm gonna throw in a bonus camera just to make it more interesting to see if you can pick out which camera is the cell phone, okay? Or which one you like better. Can you even name all 4? Okay? All right, let me give you the last one. Okay guys, so this is the last camera, camera D. Like I said, they're all sitting in the exact same position. This is the only one that is not on a gimbal. It's the same lighting, you know, in the same places, but this is camera D that I'm gonna close it out with. But until then though guys, that's gonna be it. This is camera D closing it out. Which one do you think was the cell phone? All right guys, that's it. Oh, before I go, in case I didn't mention it, they're all shot in 4K 30. 4K at 30 frames per second. All 4 of them. Okay guys, that's it. I'm out. Peace.